Today we're going to be working on Leetcode question number 124, binary tree maximum path sum. A path is a binary in a binary tree is a subsequence. Sorry, a path in a binary tree is a sequence of nodes where each pair of adjacent nodes uh, in the sequence has an edge connecting them. So basically, an edge or the two leaves should be connected in a path. A node can only appear in the sequence at most once, and like a node in that path can only appear only once. We cannot count them again. Note that the path does not need to pass through the root, so it can be a sub uh, like it can be any branch or subtree of that whole tree. Given the root of a binary tree, return the maximum path sum of any non-empty path. So if we have this one, it's gonna be all of them included. The result is gonna be 6. If this one, we don't have to go through this 9 and minus 10. It's just gonna be 15, 20, and 7. Okay, the way we're gonna be doing it is, okay, so how are we doing it? So yeah, we're gonna be doing it recursively. We're gonna have initially our like our maximum sum is basically negative infinity as a placeholder. So what we're gonna be doing is like we're gonna be calling a helper function, which is we're gonna name it TFS with the root, and the root is basically gonna go through all the TFS is basically gonna go through all the different nodes recursively in order to calculate the maximum sum. And then after that, once we are back, we're gonna return the maximum sum. Okay, now our DFS, which basically takes the root, is going to do is the base condition over here is going to be like if the root does not, like if it is a nil or null, what it should do, it should return 0. Okay, then the left uh, sum is going to be equal to the maximum of 0 and the self dot dfs, like we're gonna be sending our left node, and the right sum is gonna be equal to either 0, either we don't take anything, or we say that it's gonna be the DFS of node dot right. Once we have those two numbers, we're gonna calculate the sum, which is self dot max underscore sum is basically the max between itself, self dot max underscore sum, and the left sum. Okay, the left sum plus the right sum plus the node's value. Okay, so either it's gonna be stay what it was, the max sum, or it's gonna be the sum of left sum plus right sum plus the current sum, and that's it. And then we're gonna be returning the max of like left sum or the right sum plus the node value. So every single time we are returning like whichever is the maximum, because we can either go through the left, take the left sum plus the node value, because wherever you are, you have to consider the node value. You will be adding the node value to either the left sum or the right sum. Right. and then but every single time wherever we are, like at any node, we're gonna be calculating, updating the max sum by either it's gonna stay the max sum or it's gonna be the addition of three things: the left sum, the right sum, and the current value. Looking good. Yep, and it passed all the test cases.